Welcome to H2O Care, where we feature tips and tricks to keep your water clean and clear.
Hi everyone, this is Cliff at Isaac's Pool and Spa, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of owning an automatic pool cleaner. The first benefit of owning an automatic pool cleaner is what it actually does. The main benefit of owning an automatic pool cleaner is that it removes debris from the pool. In addition to that, it also scrubs and cleans both the floor, the water line, as well as the sides. The second benefit of owning an automatic pool cleaner is how easy they are to use. They are simply plug and play, connect to a power source, and they're done and ready to go. These cleaners use computerized mapping to clean quickly and efficiently. They are also energy efficient themselves. A cleaning cycle costs less than 20 cents per use. Also, the final benefit is ease of use. To clean these, simply pop the top, remove the debris, rinse the filters, and you're done. The biggest benefit to owning an automatic pool cleaner is the time that you'll save. Manual vacuum can take up to 2 to 3 hours out of your day. Automatic pool cleaners can clean a pool in less than 45 minutes. Here at Isaac's, we have 4 models of automatic pool cleaners to choose from. We also offer in-store service and repair on automatic cleaners. So come on down to Isaac's Pool and Spa today and pick out your new automatic cleaner.
Thank you for tuning in to H2O Care. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other helpful videos.